What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This way you find the hottest and the newest degen plays in the crypto space. My name is Joven. Before we get into the video, I gotta let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. It is a very risky and very volatile asset class. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, guys. I got my channel pulled up on screen, Meme Coin Daily, 462 subscribers. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let's spread the word. Let's cover all these projects on ETH. You know what I'm saying? Let's get the word out, guys. Now let's hop right over the DEX tools and check out that banger I was telling you guys about. But first, let's go through the top 10 trending peers. Number 1, we got Sani. Number 2, ETH 2.0. Number 3, Bone. Number 4, DGTV. Number 5, Kitsune. Number 6, Suka. Number 7, Mus. Number 8, The. Number 9, Zen. And number 10, DC Dogecoin. Now, the project we're going to be checking out is Linu. Luna Inu, guys. Now, recently in the degen space, a lot of people have been finding projects that are bottomed out or in the accumulation phase where the chart is just, flatlined, not much going on. And then a lot of people get into the project because they see the meme coin season may be coming back, and a lot of those OG projects like Asani and Linu is one of those projects. It's been out since May, and right now we're in November. You know what I'm saying? As you guys can see from the chart, it is a very interesting chart. Move to the upside, retrace, move to the upside, retrace, accumulation, move to the upside, retrace, and then another move to the upside. What you think might happen next, guys? Retrace, and then what? Move to the upside. Now, I could be wrong. Nothing is guaranteed in crypto, but you see patterns in charts all the time. The holders in Linu definitely are holding up the chart because, as you can see, we got higher highs, and definitely something you should look into if you're in the degen space. Let's go through the Uniswap info. 133k in liquidity, 165k in 24-hour trade volume, which is pretty nice because that means people are buying and selling the project. The project is alive and well. It has 3.6k holders. That is good. You know what I'm saying? The more holders, the better the distribution of the project. And 1.85 million market cap, which is a very nice market cap because it means has a lot of upside potential from here. 10x, 100x, who knows? Yeah, y'all know how I am on this channel. You never know with these projects if you're gonna take the chance and invest in these projects. Always manage your risk. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, and be sure to take profits. Just the smartest thing to do if you're gonna trade these. Now let's hop over to the website, see what the project is all about. Luna Inu, the Luna Killer, fully decentralized meme token. So it is a project that is going off of Luna Classic. You know what I'm saying? There's a ton of investors in Luna Classic, and who knows, a lot of them might be interested in checking out a lower market cap project like Luna Inu. And they have Linu right here folding his arms like you'd see on Shiba's website, kind of playing into that, but man's is all dressed up. White paper and the tech audit right here, audited contract, which is nice to see. They already listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. We're gonna check those out next. CoinMarketCap, Luna Inu intro and story. So they have a video right here to break down Linu and what it's all about. And it's Linu versus Luna dogecoin. You know what I'm saying? Very funny stuff, very memeable, I would like to say as well. How to buy on the website as well. Step 1, step 2, step 3, you get this on Uniswap. How to buy Linu breakdown, Killernomics, liquidity locked for 100 years. And we can see Linu kicking dogecoin. Get dogecoin out of here, man. Get him out of here, Linu. With a project like this, guys, as long as the community keeps spreading the word of the project, keeps putting in that work to let people know about Linu, you know what I'm saying, there's always going to be trade volume coming in. There's always going to be new investors. There's always going to be new eyes on the project, and you never know where it could go in the future. Contract does not have an owner. It's renounced. No taxes. 0% on the buy and sell. Total supply 1 quadrillion, and 25% of the supply is burned. And you can see the lock right here from TrustSwap. We have the kill map, which is a breakdown of their roadmap. Phase 1 completed. So they basically did everything on their phase 1. They have a CEX listed on BKEX. Okay. NFTs, DAO, Linu Senate, 10 million market cap goal, so they already hit 10 million, and now they're back down to 2 million. Pretty nice, guys, you know what I'm saying? That would be a 5x from here to get back to 10 million. Pretty nice. And they have phase 2 Linu swap staking, top 5 CEX, affiliation, partnerships, Certic audit, you love to see that, 5,000 holders, Linu chain, hold on, Linu chain, that's what I like to see, okay? A blockchain for the project is great utility. Smart contracts is great utility. That's what crypto is all about. Terra Luna to Linu bridge, Linu chain, layer 1 blockchain, this is bullish, okay? This is Linu chain, this is bullish. BSC bridge token burn mechanism. Once you have that layer 1 blockchain and you have projects in the ecosystem, a burn mechanism would be easy to accomplish. Mainstream media partnership, Linu Film Media Company, greater than 10,000 Linu holders, list on all major centralized exchanges, list on Robinhood, flip Terra Luna in market cap. Really love what I see from the roadmap, guys. As long as Linu is able to deliver on these goals on the roadmap, especially Linu chain, the layer 1 blockchain that they could create, that would be very bullish for the project, and that would create use case, great utility, a whole ecosystem for Linu as well. So yeah, I like what I see from that roadmap. DAO community has the power, so they have their Luna Inu DAO, Linu DAO memes. You have a use this meme kit to generate viral memes, so they have their own meme kit. Whoever controls the memes controls the universe. Elon Musk have NFTs as well. Pretty cool looking Linu NFTs. That Star Wars one, I'm a fan. We have marketing right here. We believe in the power of community, which is great. All it takes for a project to do very well in this space is the community, guys. If the community is strong, the community puts in that work, there's no telling how far a project could go. What gives a project value? It's the people's psychology that gives a project value. An example of that is an NFT project that launched recently where people it costed like $2 to mint, and now each NFT is worth $12,000 to $20,000 at the floor price in ETH, right? And when you look at the art style is very vulgar, nothing, beautiful to look at. It's just not good art at all. But what brought the project value? The people's psychology, you know what I'm saying? The people said this has value, and so the project is doing crazy numbers, right? Same thing could happen with Linu right here. And we operate entirely with donations to our official community marketing wallet. Our fundraising will not go to waste and is greatly appreciated. And they have the marketing wallet right here, seen on Yahoo Finance, Bazinga, Digital Journal, 500 plus websites. And you could join the community, join the most energetic crypto community, that is Linutix. Nice branding, the project is very memeable, and love the website, straight to the point. Let's check out the official Twitter, see what we got. Linu the Luna Killer is 100 community-driven project to flip Terra Luna and save Luna victims. Liquidity locked, contract renounced, ERC 20. And they have 3,822 holders. Tweet from the official Linu account. I smell green candles, hold the line, we will flip Terra Luna. dogecoin, the Luna killers are coming. Retweet right here from FIPA. Lost money in Luna, make it back with Linu, 25% supply burnt, listed on Uniswap and BKEX. Top 5 CEX in phase 2. Feature documentary, bet with Linu, so they have a betting platform. Utility in the works. Hey, Linu chain, hey, sign me up. I have a tweet right here from Crypto Gems, huge account, 364k followers. Linu melting some faces here, looks bullish. Okay, so it went on a run on the first, and now it's retraced back down, so you guys have an entry. 718 likes, 405 retweets. Crazy stuff, guys. Have another tweet from Moon Schiller, 141k followers, another big account. Oh God, please, just to kick dogecoin and bless all who got robbed by him. Flip Luna, flip with Linu. And we have someone here, a Pablo, charting Linu looking good from Pico bottom and sticking to the plan. DCA support for maximum opportunity. Accumulation zone is for accumulating. Exactly what comes next. Simply melt faces. And as you guys can see, like I said, guys, the upside, retrace, accumulation, move to the upside. Did it the second time, did it the third time. Who knows? We could go for a fourth run and continue up further. When it's dog season, when it is dog season and dogecoin starts running to $1 and shiba starts running, people will be looking, new retail will be looking for great dog type coins that are low in market cap, that have a strong community, that are active, and a project like Linu might catch their attention, guys. So never stop working, put in that work, the dev and the community. And we have another tweet from Chiro Crypto. Linu about to do this again. When it runs, it runs. As I said, did it the second and third time. Who's to say it's not gonna do it a fourth? And that would be a 571% move to the upside. You know what I'm saying? Very nice gains, especially since it's at 2 mil market cap. And who knows how far it could go in the future. So now we're gonna check out the coin market cap stats of Linu. 7,000 people has it on their watch list, which is nice. 1.8 mil market cap and 1.1 million in 24-hour trade volume. So I'm guessing the exchange is giving Linu a lot of volume. People are trading Linu on the exchange a whole lot, and a lot of bullish replies as well. Linu 100x coming. Linu in 2023, it's gonna melt some zeros. Linu has proven over and over, bears getting wrecked. Scroll down a bit. Yeah, almost $1 million in trade value. People on BKEX like this project, guys. Hey, that is nice to see. The more tier 1, the more exchange listings, the more volume, the more chances for the project to have success. 3,000 members in the Telegram, and after going through it a bit, I can see the vibes is there. I can see the community is very active. Here we go. Linu melting zeros. We are here. Linu, they're speaking it into existence. What is that? 4 zeros and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros and a 1. That's a lot of zero melting, guys. I'm telling you. And I really like what I see from the project, guys. But like always, these are very risky projects. So like I said before, never invest more than you're willing to lose. But you never know where these projects could go in the future. If you hold Linu, let me know what you think of the project down in the comment section. And if this is your first time hearing about the project, let me know what you think. Let's have a discussion in the comment section. Also, if you have a project that you'd like me to check out, let me know in the comment section as well. Everything Linu and myself will be in the description. And if you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate if you could like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.